Basically, I created a platform somewhat naively about something that I was passionate about. I landed myself directly smack in the middle of the Gamergate scandal. I knew nothing about SJWs. I knew nothing about, trolls and internet anonymity. I was thinking totally outside of that box.
And her first question she asked me was, how is this not going to dox people? Do you know what doxing is? I was a victim of doxing. That was the first time our campaign had been up for 24 hours that we had ever heard anything about doxing at all. So that entire word, that entire concept originated right in that conversation that I had with her. So I didn't do enough research. I mean, that's what it comes down to.
Our team has crawled through the public interfaces of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, creating real profiles for the individuals that lob hate speech over the web.
They're not going to come busting through my door with the SWAT team, arresting me before asking any questions. Okay, for a database that doesn't exist yet.
attacked the Kickstarter page. And that's when she had her grand awakening. But if any of these idiots who interviewed her and promoted her had done half a second of research, like I did last night, we find that the people who actually made videos on her and that website before people knew who she was, Chris Reagan, Mundane Matt, a bunch of other anti-SJW YouTube channels made videos on this Social Autopsy Kickstarter.
We don't print addresses. No, we don't print telephone numbers, and our database doesn't work in a way that you can search keywords. I said to her, like, you can't search, like, if your Twitter handle is @JaneDoe and you're dying to know who @JaneDoe is, you can't log into our database and look up Jane Doe. You have to actually know that person. We've built it for employers to do a background check. We didn't build it for the public to be able to search for people and see what they're saying online. It actually doesn't work like that.
Soros. Hey, how you doing, sir? Yeah, so I'm here with all your other your sleeper agents.
How's it going, George? How's it going, Daddy George?
Everybody says hi, Hunter Avalone.
Cheers to the paycheck. Hey, Georgie.
Yeah, so hey, we just want to know when we're how we're gonna get paid. Are you gonna PayPal us all individually, or you want to send it to me and then I'll split it up with them? How do you want to do this?
Nicknames and message boards are over, the Danish claim, as a new website, trolltrace.com, will soon be up and running. In less than a month, the servers will become active. Anyone can take any troll comment and send it through the Danish servers where a real name and a physical address will be attached.
Every message, every comment ever made by trolls will retroactively be given a tag with the author's name, location, and full internet history.
My threat was that they actually thought that I had created technology that was going to unmask trolls. Imagine what that would have done in the heat of the election. Hillary Clinton had millions of followers on Twitter. What if I actually created something and said, actually, that's all coming from, that's like one person, they created all these accounts. You know, she's actually not winning this election. So they were actually terrified that I created something, okay, that was going to ruin everything.
So wait a minute, so did you actually create?
No.
Right, so that's the thing. So you didn't even create this technology.
They had actually done their job as journalists and asked me questions about what I had created, they would have left me alone.
Half a second of research, like I did last night. Half a second of research, like I did last night. Half a second of research. Half a second of research. Half a second, half a second, half a second, half a second, like I did last night. Half a second, like I did last night.